Like about 6 months ago, I got asked via email if I wanted to come to Brantford and do the comedy festival here, and I was like, you know what, I can't really do that because I'm going to be filming a movie, with Sylvester Stallone's, and we were going to call this movie The Caterer, and it was just going to be, just a movie about us and our relationship, and we were going to be setting up chairs at bar mitzvahs and bat mitzvahs, and also for people that might have been having weddings, and we thought this was a fantastic idea. But then, when the people that called me from Brantford, I was like, you know what, this is, it's all baloney. We cannot do this movie. I have to go work out and I have to go to Brantford. You want to know why? Because Brantford deserves to have the kind of comedy that I bring to the table. It's fantastic, I'll get down and I do, some push-ups, and then I get up and then maybe I'll go down again and then I'll do some more push-ups. And the people, they laugh. They look at you and they're like, man, I cannot believe you that you came here from Graz, Austria to California, and then you came all the way here to tell us some jokes. And I was like, you know what? Whenever I'm in Canada, and people always ask me this question, they're like, what's up? Were you really born in Germany? And I was like, no, I was actually born on Prince Edward Island.